And Michelangelo has the orange mask.
He's the one that eats pizza.
He eats pizza?
Look it.
Okay, yep, he's got the pizza. We got Dr. Paisley today. She's got her stethoscope. Right?
This is a new one.
It's a new one?
Actually, I just ordered it.
You just ordered it?
Because I kept taking Mommy's.
Oh, that's right. She keeps taking Mommy's stethoscope. And she needed her own. So now Mommy has hers, and Paisley has her own.
I can't find Mommy's.
You can't find Mommy's? Mommy took hers to work. All right, so what we have today is the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. And as you can see, they all got beat up by by whoever delivered them. The packages are shot. The box was shot. So, actually, you know, this one here, that's number one. That was, yeah, they're all beat up. Whatever. Okay. So, this, I know you can open it, but we got to tell everybody who it is and what it is. This is Leonardo, and it's got some blue trim on it. So here, why don't you open it up? That one's pretty tough. Oh, there you go. You got it. I know Grampy's going to get punched in the head here now. There we go. All right, we'll put that over there in the box. Alrighty. Can we get it out of there? Cool. You got it. You got it. There we go. Wow, look at that. That's pretty neat. Yeah, let's see. Let's show everybody. It's got a plastic base on it, kind of tan.
And then.
There. All right, that is number one. Leonardo is number one. Number two is Donatello. That's lavender.
This is dark purple.
Yep, that's got dark purple. All right.
What is it?
Rip it open.
Who is this?
That one is Shredder. That's the last one. That's number 5.
Shredder?
Shredder, yep.
Who's Shredder?
All right, open up Donatello. This is number 2.
I'm gonna rip it open.
Rip it open.
Look at.
I know. There's all of them.
We got all of them.
Yep. Rip her open.
Did a girl or a boy?
Donatello is a boy. They're all boys.
Why?
Why? I don't know. There is a girl, though.
Where?
The girl helps him, but there's no car for the girl.
No?
No. Okay. There you go. That is number 2, Donatello. All right, number 3 is Michelangelo. Cowabunga, dude!
Orange is Jason's favorite color.
Orange is whose favorite color?
Easton's.
Easton's favorite color? Your friend Easton?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. What's your favorite color?
He's not going to school.
He's not going to school?
Not next year.
Oh, okay.
So I guess I'm going to see him.
Yeah, well, that would be good.
Mm-hmm. Because he's my favorite friend.
He's your favorite friend?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
There's a game.
A game? No, that's not a game. Oh. There we go. And you know what? We got to find out who designed these.
Yeah?
Yeah, well, which one of our friends at Mattel at Hot Wheels designed these. Look at that. That is cool. That one is.
There's something on the bottom.
That's where he sits. That's his seat in there.
Oh.
Yeah. This one is Michelangelo. That is number 3. Here, this is what? Oh, we got to do number 4. Got to do them all in order. Number 4.
I thought we were doing that one.
No, we're not doing those. Are the extra ones. Who's this one? This one is Raphael. There you go. You got it.
Rip it open.
Rip it open. Well, that one's cool too. Look at that. They've got all different body styles.
Look at that.
Yeah, that's a truck.
It has something on the top.
And what's that on the top? Do they come apart?
No.
Huh?
I don't think
No,
so.
they don't come apart. That's just part of his mask.
His man?
Yeah, that's a cool looking truck.
Yes, it is.
Yeah, Raphael.
Now
There
we have
go.
to do this.
That is Shredder. Shredder's the bad guy.
Bad guy.
Yeah, you know, Uncle Chris used to watch Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles when he was little like you.
Can we watch it?
We can probably find some somewhere.
Even that
Yeah,
It's Shredder.
Shredder's the bad guy. Yeah,
bad.
the bad guy. All right, rip it open.
And that's his car.
Yep.
And the good guys.
The good guys are the turtles.
And they saved him.
They saved the world.
We saved the world.
They
from
saved the
him.
world. There you go.
Shadow is the bad guy.
Shredder's the bad guy. Alrighty.
He's really bad.
Really bad? Okay. Well, I'm gonna see this because it tells us who everybody is. So this one is Shredder. We put Shredder right out there for everybody to see. All right. So the blue one is Leonardo. Right. He's got the blue mask. And Donatello has got the lavender mask. Right. And Michelangelo has the orange mask.
He's the one that eats pizza.
He eats pizza?
Look it.
Okay, yep, he's got the pizza. And Raphael has got the red mask.
And then Sweater's got the purple mask.
That's right, Shredder's got a purple mask. He's got a whole different setup for him.
Okay, then how would you be the bad guy?
Appreciate it. Please share our videos. Please tell your friends. Please subscribe. And please be kind to one another, right? We always be good to everybody.
Look it.
Okay. Can you say bye-bye?
Bye.
Bye-bye. Thank you.